How to find your archived chat on Facebook Messenger. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find your archived chat on Facebook Messenger. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Messenger. Now click on chat, and all you need to do is click on archive chats, which is the second option, and here you're gonna find your archived message or your archived chats. For example, I don't have any archive, so my list is empty. Archiving keeps chat out of the way without deleting them, and this is it. And you can also like unarchive by keep clicking on the conversation or chat and click on unarchive. So this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.